Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beyond Grammar podcast. If you've ever felt shy, unsure, or like people don't understand you when you speak English, this episode is for you.
Yeah, because today we're diving into how to speak clearly and confidently with real, easy-to-use tips that actually work in daily life.
No textbook talk, just natural English. So grab your earphones, relax, and let's jump in.
Oh, and before we start, if you love learning real, everyday English like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next episode.
The first and biggest tip, slow down. When you speak too fast, your mouth can't form sounds clearly and your listener struggles to follow.
Right, I used to think speaking fast made me sound fluent, but people often said, sorry, what?
Exactly. Fluency isn't speed, it's clarity. Try pausing slightly between phrases. For example, instead of saying, I want to go to the market, say, I want to go to the market.
It's calmer and confident.
Yes, think of it like music. Rhythm matters more than speed.
Tip 2. Open your mouth more.
Yes, many learners mumble because they barely open their mouths. English needs space for vowels to sound right, like cat, cup, cot.
So I should exaggerate a little.
Yes, at first, yes. Record yourself reading and you'll hear the difference. You'll sound clearer instantly.
Tip 3. Listen before you speak.
A secret to clarity is listening. Notice how native speakers connect words, like gonna, wanna, didya.
So I should copy the rhythm, not just the words.
Exactly. Listen to podcasts, movies, or songs, mimic their tone and flow.
Like language shadowing.
Yes, speak along as you listen. It trains your mouth to move naturally.
Tip 4. Practice with mirrors.
I've heard this one, but does it really help?
It does. When you speak in front of a mirror, you can watch how your lips, tongue, and face move. You'll fix pronunciation faster.
That's like body language training, too.
Totally. You look more confident when you see yourself expressing clearly.
Tip 5. Focus on stress and intonation.
English isn't flat. It's musical. We stress some words and reduce others. Emphasis on did to show correction.
Oh, so tone changes meaning.
Yes. Practice by exaggerating. It may feel funny, but your speech becomes expressive and clear.
Tip 6. Learn common connected speech.
In real life, people don't say, do you want to eat? They say, do you want to eat?
I know. I used to think natives were skipping words.
That's connected speech. It's not wrong, it's natural. Learn the common ones. Gonna, wanna, kinda, lemme, gotcha. When you recognize them, you understand and sound smoother.
Tip 7. Breathe and relax. Some people say I freeze when I speak English sometimes.
That's common. The trick, breathe before you speak. A calm breath helps your brain organize your thoughts.
Like actors before performing.
Exactly. Confidence isn't just mental, it's physical. Breathe, smile, and your voice becomes steadier.
Tip 8. Think in English.
Translating every word from your native language slows you down.
So I should stop thinking in my own language?
Slowly, yes. Start small. When you see an apple, think apple, not the word in your language. It rewires your brain for English rhythm and structure.
Tip 9. Use simple words first.
Many learners feel they must use big vocabulary, but clear English comes from simple, direct words.
Like instead of utilize, say use.
Exactly. Simple isn't childish, it's powerful. That's how confident speakers sound.
Wow, I've been overcomplicating it.
Less is more in real communication.
Tip 10. Get comfortable with silence. Some people say I always panic when my mind goes blank.
Silence is okay. Even native speakers pause to think. Instead of saying, try using fillers naturally, like, let me think, or, that's a good question.
So silence can show confidence, not weakness.
Exactly. Confident speakers control their pace.
Tip 11. Keep practicing out loud.
Reading silently helps, but speaking out loud trains your tongue. Even 10 minutes a day can transform your pronunciation.
I could read podcast transcripts or short articles daily.
Perfect. Speak like you're talking to someone. That's how fluency becomes natural,
These tips actually make sense now.
right? Clarity isn't about perfect grammar, it's about connection.
I love that.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and share it with your English learning friends. You're not just learning words, you're learning confidence.
See you next time on Beyond Grammar Podcast.